Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm talking about gas bottles. Okay, so you've come to this video and you're wondering what type of gas bottles do I need to buy for certain things. You're thinking about buying a portable gas heater. Yeah, we know the price of gas has gone up. The price of heating your home is getting expensive. Right, so I'm just going to give you a couple of tips and hacks about gas bottles. First thing, when you're looking for a heater, you have to buy a gas bottle, and you have to buy it first, then you have to pay for it to be refilled. So essentially, they will say, right, where's your gas bottle? If you've got one first, they will then exchange it and blah de blah. But if you're buying a heater, you'll need to buy one first. So it's kind of like you've got to buy the heater, then the bottle, then fill it up. So it can be expensive. So if you see these around that they're empty and cheap, it's worth picking one up. This one is full, and you can tell this is full because it absolutely weighs a ton. You can tell when they're empty because you can pick it up with one hand. Now this one is for outside use only because it's green. It's for patio heaters and gas barbecues, guys. It tells you on the back, there's a big symbol there, big red, it says for outdoor purposes only. Okay, being propane gas, this propane gas is suitable for indoor, to be left outside and then chilled into the house for predominantly gas cookers or gas heaters. If it's indoor, you'd expect a 90 kilogram gas propane bottle to last about a year if you're only using it for gas cooking. The same with this one. If it's used for patio heaters and gas barbecues, it will probably last you a year as well. Depends on what you want to use. So those are the basic functions of these. If you're thinking about getting one for the gas, for a portable, you will probably be getting offered a yellow or a blue. The blue are the ones you want. The yellow are very difficult to refill. They're not by Calor. I can't remember what the name is, but stick with Calor because everywhere you go, you can exchange Calor. But if you get a yellow one, you'll have to get another yellow one. It's just the way it works. The thing is, if you're going to get a portable gas heater, portable heater, you have to bear in mind that they do create a lot of condensation, and you've got to bear that in mind. A lot of renting properties now put in with the contract that you signed, the lease agreement, that you can't bring these into your home, into the house, because of the safety aspect as well as the condensation. Because what happens is the cold air mixes with the warm and it creates a lot of condensation. So you up and down with a window back. I've been there, I know, never again. As I say, but these are just color coded, so you know, as I say, heating and cooking. That one is for outside, and the blue one is for heating inside, outside sort of thing. So there's just some tips there for you guys. As I say, this is 13, this is 19. So anyone thinking about that, just to bear those little things in mind. So that's it, guys. Just a quick one for you. Hope this helped. Keep warm, and yeah, hopefully we won't have too much of a long winter. Bye for now.